Cue the nostalgia. From the dawn of Pong to the jaw-dropping graphics of today, the evolution of game consoles is a journey worth revisiting. In the late 70s, Atari's video computer system made waves, introducing families to the joy of home gaming. Fast forward to the 80s, and we encounter the Nintendo Entertainment System, forever changing the gaming landscape with its iconic titles. The 90s brought us the PlayStation, a console that redefined our expectations with its revolutionary 3D graphics. Meanwhile, the Game Boy allowed us to take our games on the go for the very first time. And who could forget the turn of the millennium? The Xbox, with its online gaming platform, ushered us into a new era of interconnected play. In the 2010s, we saw the birth of the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One, consoles that blurred the line between reality and virtuality. Now, in the 2020s, we marvel at the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in gaming. The journey of game consoles, from bulky boxes to sleek machines, is a testament to the relentless march of technology. And who knows what the future holds? One thing's for certain, the game is far from over.